In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SaaS app with Emergent AI. We'll walk through the full process of going from an idea to a live product using plain English prompts and a simple build workflow. The nice thing about Emergent AI is that you don't need to manually code everything from scratch. Instead, you describe what you want, guide the setup, and let the AI help assemble the app. To begin, head over to Emergent AI and open the homepage. This is where your project starts. If it's your first time using the platform, take a quick moment to look around so you understand where the prompt area and setup options are located. That will make the rest of the process feel much smoother. Once you're in, type your app idea in plain English. This part is important because the quality of your instructions will directly affect what the AI creates. Be specific about what your SaaS app does, who it's for, and what features it needs. You'll also want to mention the pages you want included, such as a landing page, dashboard, login, billing, or settings page, along with the design style you're aiming for. Clear input here gives you a much stronger starting point. Next, set up the basics. This is where you confirm the core structure of the app and make sure the foundation matches your idea. Depending on your project, that may include naming the app, confirming page flow, and reviewing any core product settings the platform asks for. Take your time during this stage because getting the basics right now can save a lot of editing later. After that, watch the AI build. Emergent AI will begin generating your app based on the prompt and setup you provided. This is a great time to observe how your instructions are translated into an actual product. You're not just waiting here, you're reviewing. Pay attention to whether the layout, features, and overall direction match your expectations. Once the build is ready, test and tweak everything carefully. Click through the pages, try the key features, and look for anything that feels unclear, incomplete, or off brand. If something needs adjustment, refine the prompt or make edits inside the platform. This step is essential because even strong AI generated apps usually need a round of polishing before they're ready for users. And when the core app looks good, add payments. For a SaaS product, billing is a major piece of the business model. Set up your payment flow so users can subscribe or pay for access in a clean, reliable way. Double check that the pricing experience fits naturally into the app. Finally, launch live. Once your app is tested, refined, and connected to payments, publish it so real users can access it. And that's the full process for turning an idea into a live SaaS app with Emergent AI.